Hello future CAs. For the first time, I'm making a video for CA students who want to give both groups in your Jan 26 exams for your CA inter. And this plan is going to be very unique because especially in new syllabus, most of the faculties recommend only one group and I also recommend only one group, but unless you fall in any of these three categories, then both groups is ideal for you. And if you fall in this category, what is the plan for you? First are those students who have a lot of pressure to complete CA inter soon, family pressure or pressure from friends or whatever the pressure that you want to complete it soon. Suddenly you have realized that this is the last attempt for you. What should I do? This is one category. The second set are repeaters, meaning those students who already have studied both the groups and given attempts in the past and now have decided instead of writing one group, let me actually be serious and write both the groups. And the last category of students are those students who are done with one group and you are waiting for results to prepare for the other group. So you are done with one group and you are waiting for results. You don't know 50-50 and you want to start preparing for the other group. Depending upon the result, you will write both the groups or one group in Jan, but you have decided to write both the groups. So all these three scenarios are basically students who want to write both groups in Jan 26. And if you fall in this category, if you want to write in Jan 26, continue watching this video. The first thing I want to tell you is it's not going to be easy, guys. Don't expect me to give you a simple plan where you are like, I will study in a relaxed way, sir. No way, not possible. Especially in new syllabus, by now you should know that question papers are so lengthy, so lengthy that if you go 10 years back, one question paper which used to be 4 to 5 pages, now question paper is 20 to 30 pages. So to read itself, you will not have the time. So for that reason, and even beyond that, not just lengthy, the difficulty level in questions have gone so high. So to tackle two groups at once requires a lot of effort, and that's why that when we have 3 months left, I am taking on average 90 days, and on each day you have to study for 12 hours, guys. If you go look at my videos for single group plan for Jan 26, I will tell only study for 10 hours a day is enough. But if you are doing two groups, minimum 12 hours a day for 90 days, which gives you 1080 hours, or let's round off that to 1000 hours at hand for disposal. Only if you're ready to invest this much time by sacrificing everything, sacrificing festivals, sacrificing movies, sacrificing social media, sacrificing your social life, if you're ready for that, only continue watching this video. Otherwise, don't watch it, guys. Otherwise, don't be in a dreamland. Sir, I will write both the groups, sir. I can do it, sir. No. Can you invest this much time for your career for both the groups? Then only continue watching this video. Second thing is, I will strictly tell you, if you are studying for the first time, from the time you are watching this video, you are studying for the first time and you are planning to write both the groups in Jan, my humble suggestion will be, see, others will tell, hey, go buy this class, go do that, guys. But my humble suggestion, I want you to pass. I want to see positive results. I don't want to take emotional decisions. But if you're studying for the first time, please focus on one group. Only if you fall in these three categories, which I have mentioned over here, please write both the groups. Now, last doubt that you will be having is, sir, since we have only 1080 hours in our hand, should I go for classes? Should I go for test series? Or should I go for self-study? If it was many years back, I personally vouch for self-study. But today, given the difficulty of papers, I will recommend you to please take up not classes or test series. The new norm now is classes and test series, because that's when you have holistic learning. You take classes and test series wherever you want, but if you want it with us, let me explain what we have. win classes and test series, I will recommend you to take the Wow Pro only. And Wow Pro is only if you're going to write both groups, guys. Only if you're going to write both groups falling in above category. What happens in Wow Pro is that concepts are quickly revised. You already know the concepts gets revised for you. Entire ICA study mat questions are covered for you. Along with that, RTP, MTP and other questions also are solved in the class, and we spend and solve MCQ questions, 5 to 6 hours of solving MCQ questions. All these four are covered not for one group but for both the groups within 500 hours. This Wow Pro is nothing but your exam oriented batches, guys. This is the real exam oriented, where 500 hours, 250 hours for one group, 250 hours for the other group, where all these four are covered. Once you watch these classes, you can then do 500 hours of revision, guys. 500 hours of revision, and no need to pay anything extra. This Wow Pro also includes test, where 5 tests per subjects are included. So what we have basically done, for each subject, you have 6 subjects, which is 3 plus 3. For each subject, we have given you a schedule. We call it as GROW schedule. The GROW schedule, where we break the syllabus into 4 parts, and each part is 25%. You watch the first part, 25%, go and write one test. Watch the second part, go and write one test. Watch the third part, go and write one test, and watch the fourth part, go and write one test. So these are your 4 tests. 4 tests of 25% syllabus will get covered over here, guys. So what are the 4 tests? 4 tests into 25%. So one learning of syllabus is done, and then you will have last one test of 100%. Once you finish all this, you will actually grow, guys. And that is what I am going to tell you. This entire thing is covered for you within 500 hours of lectures for both the groups, and then 500 hours of revision along with your test. Add up both, you will reach 1000 hours, and that 1000 hours is what you have when you have both groups for your Jan 26 exams. More about this GROW schedule, I have separate video, guys, but again, to simplify, it's basically breaking down the syllabus into 4 parts, guys. Breaking down syllabus into 4 parts, and you finish watching each part and write a test in that. Sir, how do I take up this Wow Pro classes? You just have to go to CA Classroom website, guys. Once you go to CA Classroom website, scroll down, because not many students need this at this point, and here you will go for CA Inter Wow Pro subscription for both the groups. You can choose your faculties. For direct tax, you have 2 options. Similarly, indirect tax, you have 2 options. Pick your faculties. Included of what, guys? Your bridge test, and you will come down. You have all the details over here. You can check it out and take it. This is for students who are going to appear for both groups for Jan 26. But again, I'm giving you a disclaimer. This is the plan that we have. Go with any plan of your choice. I'm not telling ours is the one which is the best. Whichever is suitable for you, go for it. But I will again come back to telling the first point over here. You need to give your career best if you want to hit both the groups in this Jan 26 attempt. Any other doubts that you guys have, please let me know in the comments, guys. I read all your comments, and I will get back to your comments by replying over there, or I will make another video, guys. That's about it. Thank you. Take care. Tata. Bye bye.